What happens when a surgery clinic with a generally great website has zero ads running, no tracking, no Google Ads account, and not even the analytics setup, just word of mouth and hope? That's exactly where this client was when they found us. This clinic actually found us the way most of our clients do for now. They watched a few of our case studies, that is the videos, checked out our website and reached out to us directly on WhatsApp. They came to us because they would seen what we would done for the other businesses, and they wanted the same thing for a completely fresh start. And when I say fresh start, what I mean is there was no existing Google AdWords account, no Google Tag Manager, no conversion tracking, nothing to fix and optimize. We were building the entire foundation from scratch, so that's exactly what we did. We created the Google AdWords account from the ground up. We have set up the Google Tag Manager and connected it properly with the analytics, so every form submission and every phone call could actually be tracked back to the exact keyword and ad that drove it. Then we built the campaign structure and to help them ease into the paid ads with less risk. We even got them a starting coupon to launch their very first ad with the reduced upfront cost. Within the first week of going live, the phone started ringing and forms started coming in. That part felt good. But here is the thing about cosmetic and the plastic surgery searches specifically. They are some of the messiest search categories out there. People search for procedures. They are just curious about students researching for assignments, people looking for free information, completely unrelated queries that just happen to share a keyword. In the beginning, we saw exactly that. A good chunk of clicks and even some form fills that had nothing to do with someone actually wanting a consultation. So we went into cleanup mode. Every week, we pulled the search term report and added negative keywords for anything irrelevant, the free info searches, the student research searches, anything that was not a real buying signal. At the same time, we have looked closely at which audience demographics were actually converting versus just clicking. Age groups, location, even the time of the day. We have actually trimmed the fat, kept what worked, and let the account learn from the real data instead of guesses. 3 months in, here is where the account landed. 68 conversions in a single month at a cost per conversion of only $22.21. For a plastic surgery clinic where a single consultation can lead to a treatment worth thousands, that's an incredibly efficient number. And it did not happen by accident. It happened because we did not panic during the messy early weeks. We have refined, we filtered, we let the data guide every decision. This is what building an ad account the right way looks like, not flashy overnight results. A proper foundation, honest optimization, and patience through the noisy first few weeks so the real results can show up clean. So if you are already running the ads and they feel messy like this clinics did in the beginning, or if you have not started running the ads at all, reach out to us directly on WhatsApp at showing the phone number on the top right corner, or head over to our website for more insights into what we do. And if you want us to look at your account for free, just comment the audit below and we will reach out to you. Thank you for watching the video.